Sounds of life, Raag Gauri. For me, life is learning. It's always a process of learning. And I try to open myself that I'm willing to learn from the past, from the future, and also in the present moment. And therefore, Raag Gauri is a wonderful mood to take a helping hand, to give a helping hand, a loving hand to our ego and say to it, yes, yes, you are wonderful. And yes, you can learn so much more if you open yourself and look so much deeper inside. And yes, you make mistakes, and that's okay. Learn from them, look at them, and then you can try to make it so much better, and you are able to do this. So let's take this wonderful mood and move forward in willing to learn.